everyone, welcome back. I want to show you what I got today. I was out shopping and I went into a craft store and I found this candle maker. You can make candles with it, and I just thought that was the neatest thing. So and I love doing arts and crafts and things like that in my spare time. So let's open this together and we'll see what it all has inside. Let's open this. I'm excited. I am. You know, you get tired of cooking sometimes, so you want to do something different other than cook. So let's see if I can't get this open. Let's see. That side. One on that side. Ready? Okay. Oh wow. Okay, so it comes with a bag full of wax beads. So that's cool. And then it has, oh look, it's electric. You plug this in, I guess, and I guess you put the wax in there and it melts or something. I'll read the directions, but it also came with it came with two holders. There's one down here, two, I guess, for two different size candles. It came with two different colors that you can use. It came with some wicks and some metal bars that you use to hold across the top. You know, you put your wick in there and you wrap that around the metal bar, and that way, you know, it stands up and you pour your wax in there. Well, that's cool. And oh, it has more colors. It has a white and a red. I didn't get to those. It had a blue and a green and a white and a red. So we've got our four colors. Our blue and yellow, red and white. I think I said green, but I meant blue and yellow and red and white. I was looking at this. This is green. And it looks like it comes with a kind of a color wheel so that you can kind of judge what your candles colors are going to look like. And then the instructions right there. So I'm going to read through this, and I think today I'm going to make some candles. It says to pour the wax into the mold, which I did. And then it says to add the dye. So I'm going to try blue. I guess I'm just going to sprinkle it over the top of that. So it kind of looks like a little bit of a ocean type thing. Alright. And then it says to add the scent. Now I have a lot of essential oils here. And they smell amazing. They're very strong and they smell very amazing. So I'm going to add, I think I'm going to add a little bit of rose. to it. Add a couple drops of rose. 1, 2, 4 drops of the rose. And I'm going to add a little bit of basil. If I can get this opened. A couple drops of the basil. There are 3 drops of the basil. And then I'm going to add a little bit of chamomile. Three drops of the chamomile. And a couple drops of bergamot. There we go. And like I said, this stuff is pretty strong, so that's why I keep it sealed up in a baggie, because I have asthma, and so I can't really handle a lot of strong scents. So we got that done, and then it says to close the top cover. All right, and then we're going to plug it in. So we're going to plug it in, and it says turn the temperature switch to on, which is on high. And then says wait a few minutes. So we're doing this together. So while this is heating up, okay, now that's completely closed. And while this is heating up, I prepared my my wick in my mold. So it said to cut a piece of wick, which I did, and then secure it with the metal rod here, which I did, and then pull the wick all the way down to the bottom, and then put the stopper in there, which I did. And it says do not put the mold on to the plate until after the wax has melted. And it does say it's going to take about 20 to 30 minutes for the wax to melt, but it also says in about 5 or 10 minutes to take my spare metal rod that I have here and get in there and stir that wax up. So that's what we're going to do. Hey, I want to show you guys. I found these cute cups at Winco. They got little bumblebees on them, and it's like a little honeycomb type thing. And I thought, you know, my neighbor's got a birthday coming up, and she's just really the sweetest person. And I thought, after I got this candle maker, I saw these, so I bought a couple of them, and I thought I'd make some candles out of these and give them to her. And look, it just fits perfectly underneath there, so I'll be able to do that pretty easily. So that's the project. After I make my first candle, I'm going to make her candles, and she's going to love it for her birthday. Come on, I'm excited. Can't wait. Okay, so my wax is melted, and now it says I can go ahead and I can put my mold in, which I will do. And then it says to open the wax dripper valve which is this valve here. And then the wax should start dripping down. Oh, that's a pretty color. Alrighty. Well, I didn't get a full a full candle out of it, but I did get half of a candle out of it. So then it says allow the candle to rest and cool in the mold right here for 1 to 2 hours. So we're just going to leave it like that. I don't think I should add any more wax to that. I think that's enough for the first time. That's pretty cool. Alrighty, I'm going to turn this thing off. And we're just going to let that cool for a couple hours. Yeah. So I want to show you that I'm getting ready to make the present in this cup, this candle, for my neighbor. So in my new candle maker, and inside here is the candle wax, and it's melting, and oh my gosh, the scent is just amazing. I for this particular candle I used jasmine and gardenia, and it smells amazing. All right, I'll let you see what it looks like when it's done. It's okay, guys. This is it. I want to show you. This is the candle, the first one that I made, and it actually came out really well. And it smells delicious. And then this is the second one. I want you to see that it's all the way up to the top there. And this is the one that I'm going to give my neighbor for her birthday. It's coming up. And it smells heavenly. Just heavenly. So, there you go. This one is going to stay, this one's going to stay in the jar or in the cup, and then afterwards she can use it to, you know, have coffee with or whatever. It's just, it smells so delicious. Not delicious, it smells, oh, it smells heavenly. And then this one, all right. Hey, that's my new thing. Okay, guys, we'll see you later. Bye-bye.